Hi, I'm Barton Seaver. I'm a chef and an author, and today I'm really pleased to be sharing with you one of my very favorite seafood preparations, and that is a seafood stew. And this is in the tradition of Feast of the Seven Fishes. It's a holiday tradition held right around the Christmas time holidays. What I love about this, it's a wonderfully easy way to get a lot of seafood onto your table more often. The easiest and best thing about this, though, is that you can make this stew ahead of time. Cool it down overnight in the fridge, pull it out and gently rewarm it just as your guests sit down to the table for this steaming, beautiful, aromatic, wonderful stew. So what I've done is sauteed some aromatics in a large pot, olive oil, fennel, a little bit of butternut squash, and some anchovies to add a depth of flavor, a little bit of garlic. Added white wine, tomatoes, and then all sorts of seafood. In here I've got some whitefish, some salmon, some mussels, some clams, some scallops, but really whatever you want, from shrimp, calamari, octopus, mackerel. The choices are endless. And then, once the fish is simmered and cooked, all you have left to do is scoop it out and serve up this delicious, delicious feast, chock full of big, meaty chunks of seafood, mussels, clams, seared scallops, and everything. This is a great way to get more seafood on your family's table more often. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video about stewing seafood. And for more information about seafood and all its great health benefits, please visit www.seafoodnutrition.org. Thanks. Bon appetit.